Search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial for various reasons, and its significance extends to both the visibility and success of a business. Here are some key points highlighting the importance of SEO. 1. Increased visibility and traffic. SEO makes a website more visible, leading to increased traffic and more opportunities to convert prospects into customers. 2. Impact on buying cycle. SEO impacts the buying cycle by relaying messaging for good deals, products, and services, positively influencing the buying cycle when implemented effectively. 3. Organic customer acquisition. SEO helps in finding new customers organically by promoting useful content and ensuring that the website is discoverable by search engines. 4. Competitive advantage. Effective SEO can help a business stand out from its competitors, as it can lead to higher rankings and better visibility compared to competitors. 5. Cost-effective visibility. SEO helps businesses attain visibility for search queries organically, allowing them to earn rankings without having to pay for them through pay-per-click (PPC) ads. 6. Impact on user perception. Poor SEO can reflect badly on a website's performance and credibility, making it essential to invest in SEO to maintain a positive digital presence. 7. Influence on content ranking. A carefully designed SEO strategy helps content rank higher on search engine results pages, SERPs, driving qualified prospects to the content and increasing its visibility. 8. Impact on local engagement. SEO professionals optimize local citations, backlinks, and regional listings to promote engagement locally, emphasizing the importance of local SEO for businesses. SEO is essential for businesses as it directly impacts their online visibility, customer acquisition, competitive advantage, and overall digital presence. It is a powerful tool for driving organic traffic and ensuring that a business's content is effectively reaching its target audience. To get the best SEO service, click on the link in description. Enjoying the content? Consider subscribing to join our community and stay updated with our latest videos. Your support helps us continue creating great content for you.